How to fix R36S, not booting up in 2025. So I'm gonna show you how to fix R360S, not booting up. First, you need to charge your console. Please make sure you need to charge the console until fully. Next, turn off the console when you are done using it. It's preventing the battery from draining while console is asleep. And to prevent your R360S to having the same issue, you need to know how to properly turn off your R360S. Press the start button to open the main menu. Scroll down to quit option and press A button. In next menu, scroll down to shutdown system and press A again. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Press A once more time and console will turn off safety. So that's how to fix your R360S not booting up in 2025.